Welcome to Free Courses Mela Day 3. So, without wasting time, I will be starting with all of the courses which are requested by you. And I have made two videos on the Free Courses Mela, Day 1 and Day 2. In that, I have come up with the courses for free which you have requested. And in Day 3 also, I am coming up with some category of the courses which you have requested. So, the first one is Data Science. I got a request for the Data Science courses. So this is a cognitive class website and it is from the IBM, and I already made video on the cognitive class platform. So you can see here whatever the learning path they are providing, and all these will be for free. So you can see here big data fundamentals. I also got a request about the big data engineer, so you can just go to this and learn the things. So, and also the data science fundamentals. So I opened a data science fundamentals page. So you can see here this is a data science foundation for a learning path from the IBM, and here you will be learning introduction to data science. This is a beginner level, and data science tools beginner level, and data science methodologies, and you will be getting here 3 badges and 3 courses will be there. So those who are aspiring for data scientist can enroll to this learning by just enrolling to all of these courses and getting the badges. So all of the about the information about the badges I have explained in my previous video. I will be providing that link in the blog, and all of the courses link will be in the blog. So the next one is the data science courses from the Allison. So you can enroll to any of these data science courses, but you won't be getting the certification. So through their FAQ, frequently asked questions, I got to know that they are only providing digital certificate for these topics, and our topic, data science topic, doesn't come to this category, so you won't be getting the certificate. So this is from the Ellison. So I'll be providing the link, so you can just go and watch which course suits you, and you can enroll to that course. And now this is the big data fundamentals. As I said, I got request about the big data engineer, so you can just enroll to these courses, and you will be having 3 to 4 courses here. So you can just enroll to the courses. You will be having 3 courses and you will be getting 4 badges, and you can learn the fundamentals of the big data. And this badge is from the IBM. Other than the big data fundamentals and data science fundamentals, you will be getting some other learning paths like Scala programming for data science, Hadoop fundamentals, Hadoop programming, Spark fundamentals. So you can just enroll to any of this learning pathway and gain knowledge, and also along with the badges. So this is from the IBM. And now there is an hackathon of the machine learning hackathon will be there in association with AWS. So you can see here the start date is from July 13 and end date is up to August 31. So you can see what are the information here, why should you participate, and also the services and step to practice, step to participate, how to participate. All of this will be provided here, and I won't be explaining this because you can easily get to know what is everything about the machine hack and hackathon by just reading this. So I will be providing a link in my blog, so I don't want to waste my time on explaining this. So you can just go and see whether you can participate in the machine learning hackathon. So the next one is data structures and algorithm. I got so many responses and requests about the data structures and algorithm courses. So I come up with some of the free courses, but they are not providing the certification. So this is analysis of the algorithm, and it is provided by the Princeton University, and you can just enroll to the course, and just clicking on the continue you can just enroll to the course. I have already shown in my video how to enroll for the Coursera courses, so you can just take that reference and you can enroll to this course. And the next one is algorithms part 1, and this is also from the Princeton University, and along with that you will also be getting algorithms part 2. After finishing part 1 you can enroll to this part 2. You can access all lectures, readings and assignments for free, but you won't be getting the certification. And this is about the algorithms. So the next one is competitive programs. So for competitive, I got request about the competitive programming courses. So I have come up with competitive programmers course skill course from the Coursera. You can enroll to this course. You won't be getting the certification. but you can understand, you can see here 32 hours of the on-demand video will be there. So course content will be there, so you can get to know the core skills which are needed for the competitive programmers. So this is about the competitive programming and algorithms and data structure. And I also got the request from a person to provide the free course from Algo Expert, but let me say that they are not providing any of the free courses. I am only providing the free courses which are provided by the content creators, and but here in the Algo Expert they are not providing any free courses, so I can't be able to provide the free courses from the Algo Expert. The next one is from EDX, and I got some request about the music production courses. So I have come up with some courses from the EDX. You can enroll to this course and you can gain the knowledge, but for a certification you have to pay money. So this is the music technology foundations, and the next one is introduction to the music theory, and this is also the same. You can enroll to the course, but for a certificate you have to pay money, and you have to finish that course within the course duration. It is for 6 weeks and you have to finish that within 6 weeks. And the next one is vocal recording technology, and this one is also for the music production courses, and it is having 6 weeks length, and for the certificate you have to pay 3,666. And the next one is from the data structures and algorithms. So you can see so many courses here for the data structures and algorithm, but I have selected some courses. You can also do enroll to any of these courses here, but I have selected some courses from the Microsoft, and I will show you. So this is the course from the UC San Diego University, and you can learn the algorithm design and techniques. So this course will be of 6 weeks and 8 to 10 hours per week you should provide in order to finish this course, and this course starts from July 30 today only, and this course is a part of the MicroMasters program. So the next one is from the Microsoft, that is algorithms and data structures. Learn how to write faster and more efficient code against the backdrop of famous algorithms. So this course will be of 5 weeks, and 3 to 4 hours per week should be provided in order to finish this course, and this course along with the certification it will cost 7,407. This course is from Microsoft, so the courses will be really of the standard value. I also got request about the graphic design courses. So these are the top 20 courses from the Allison, and you can enroll to these courses, and you won't be getting the certification, but you can access all the course content. And this is for graphic designing courses, and I will also be providing the Udemy courses and Agonic free courses videos on. Also some of the courses link will be provided in the WhatsApp group, so I request all of you to join my WhatsApp group so that you can get the free courses link. So I will be explaining how the Allison works tomorrow, because I think tomorrow will be the last day of this free courses Mela, because I have already finished and provided the free courses for all of your responses, and some of them may be remaining, and all that will be finished tomorrow. So this is for the graphic design courses, and this is from Allison. And the next one is Google developers training. So you can see here I got request for the Google's Firebase courses. So you can see Google developers training is providing the training for the Android development, web development, Firebase, and machine learning, TensorFlow. So you can enroll to these courses. So I will be providing the link in my blog, so you can watch that. So now I am going to show the free course for the Firebase. So all of this is for the Firebase. All of these courses are for Firebase, and you can enroll to any of these courses, and this is from the Code Lab, and it is from the Google only. And the next one is from Udacity. Google is providing some of the free courses. So you can see here these are the courses from the Google which are for free. So this is the Android. These are the courses for free, and for TensorFlow, and for web development, and Firebase. So you can see all of these courses are for free, so you can you can just enroll to this course and do your course. And this is for the Firebase. And next one is I got request for digital marketing. I already provided video for Google Digital Garage courses. So I am just going to overview. I am just going to briefly show whatever the courses will be there. So you can see here more than 136 courses are there, and fundamentals of digital marketing, you will be getting the certification, and this course is having 40 hours of the content. So you can get the certification from Google and understand the digital marketing. And there are 136 courses which are dealing with the marketing and business related courses. And I will be providing some of the courses for the entrepreneurship tomorrow in last day of the free courses mela. So you can just enroll to any of these courses. All of these courses will be free, but for only digital marketing you will be getting the certification, and this is from the Google only. So you will be getting the certification from the Google. So now let us go to the biotechnology courses. So from Coursera I have selected some of the biotechnology courses. There are so many biotechnology courses, but for the specialization you won't be getting that for free. But for some courses you will be getting that for free, but you won't be getting the certification. So this is the first course, that is the industrial biotechnology. You can just enroll to this course, but you won't be getting the certification. You can just click here and continue and enroll to this course and access the content and learn from it. And the next from the EDX. So there are biotechnology courses, 16 courses are there for the biotechnology. So all of these courses are for free, and you can enroll to any of these courses, but you won't be getting the certification for free. You have to pay some money in order to get the certification, but you can get the content for free for the course period. If the course period is for 6 weeks, then you will be getting the course content for free for 6 weeks. And this is from the EDX. So the next is from the Ellison. So you can see here, these are the top 20 biomedical engineer courses. So all of these courses will be free, and you can enroll to any of these courses, but you won't be getting any of the certification. All of the course content will be free for you. That's it for today, guys. I will be providing the courses on the remaining category on the free courses mela day 4, and that will be the last day of the free courses mela. Please support me by sharing this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and please like this video. Thank you, guys.